A great thing about tacos is that they are easy to make and they can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Now you may be wondering what toppings go well with tacos. You will be pleased to know that there are many options to choose from, and here is our list of the best taco toppings available. Shredded cheese. No tacos are complete without cheese. Cheddar tends to be the most commonly used variety. The creaminess of the cheese complements the other flavors of the dish without being too overpowering. If you fancy being a little more adventurous, try adding some blue cheese. If you find blue cheese is too strong for your taste, avoid adding it to your tacos in excessive amounts. Alternatively, you may choose to add some Monterey Jack cheese. It has a sweet but mild flavor which will work well with the other ingredients. For a more authentic touch, why not add some crumbled cotija? This Mexican cheese has a salty taste and a similar texture to feta cheese. Ground beef. Ground beef is a key taco ingredient. The fat content of beef gives it plenty of flavor. If ground beef doesn't appeal to you, chicken or pork can be added instead. Marinate and season your meat to enhance the flavor, and there you have the perfect taco filling. Fried fish can taste just as good as meat in tacos. In comparison to meat, it is a lot more delicate, and it can be quite expensive too. Popular options for tacos include snapper, grouper, and halibut. Fish tends to have a pretty mild flavors, so the toppings that accompany it shouldn't be too powerful. Tomatoes. Some people may prefer more basic toppings. Tomatoes are a fruit that are a great source of antioxidants, vitamins, and nutrients. Bright red in color, they are going to add a vibrant touch to your dish. The flavor of tomatoes is pretty balanced, as it is equally sweet and tangy. You may notice slight differences in the taste, depending on the variety that you choose to use. Lettuce. This may not sound like the most exciting topping, however, it is a good choice for those who enjoy a combination of rich flavors and healthy ingredients. Iceberg lettuce is the type that is most commonly used for tacos. It has a crispy texture and mild flavor, so it isn't going to take away from the taste of the other ingredients. Rather than sticking to one type of lettuce, why not add a combination of a few different types? Make sure that the lettuce that you use is nice and fresh so that it doesn't wilt once added to your tacos. Refried beans. Refried beans are a staple in many Mexican dishes, and they are a favorite amongst vegetarians who are looking for great-tasting meat-free options. Typically, pinto beans are used to make this dish as they have a buttery consistency that works very well. Although the word refried implies that these beans are cooked twice, this is not the case. Instead, they are initially cooked in water to soften them and then fried and seasoned. The flavor of these beans can be described as a combination of sweet and savory, and they're also healthy as they contain plenty of nutrients. Onions. Tacos can taste quite salty, so sweet onions will make the flavors more balanced, as they are much milder in comparison to other varieties, so they are not going to overpower the taste of the other ingredients in the tacos. If you prefer your onions to have a stronger and more pungent flavor, serve them raw. Otherwise, you can cook them on low heat until they start to soften. Rice. Rice can either be served as a side dish to tacos or used as a filling. Cilantro and lime juice pair particularly well with steamed rice, as they make the taste of the dish more interesting without being too intense. Alternatively, you could steam the rice and then add some lettuce, a sprinkle of cheese, and some avocado chunks. To complete the dish, why not mix in some sour cream? Avocado. Avocados are known for their unique taste, which some would describe as nutty. Although the flavor may be quite mild, it will still be noticeable when added to the tacos. Slice the avocado in half before removing the pit, then scoop it out of its skin before chopping it into small, easily digestible chunks. Once you have done this, you can add as much to your tacos as you want. We have only scratched the surface on our list of best taco toppings. Head over to our website and find out the remaining 16 toppings. Subscribe to Restaurant Clicks for your ultimate go-to foodie guide.